All right, so let's talk a little bit about Cortana. So Cortana is down here available as the search box right here. I did want to mention real quick that you can change Cortana to being an icon like this, or hide her entirely if you would like to. There's a little microphone icon right here that will enable you to use voice commands to get Cortana to do things for you. In addition to this, if you go up into your notebook, into the settings here of Cortana, you have the option of having her kind of listen continuously for this key phrase, "Hey Cortana." So if you turn that on, when you say, "Hey Cortana," it will recognize that and start listening automatically. It's not extremely useful, maybe perhaps if you're doing a presentation in a meeting or something like that. That might be helpful if you don't have your keyboard handy. So that option is there for you there. Now, what kind of things can Cortana do for you? So one of the main things that Microsoft has demoed is that when you hit this microphone icon, you can ask her to do things like set reminders or appointments. She can even send emails for you. Let me try and demonstrate that for you. Send an email.
Who's the email going to?
Thomas Stump.
What do you want to say?
Hi, comma, how are you? Question mark.
Here's your email. Send it, add a subject, or make changes.
So from this point, I could go ahead and say send or cancel, and you can do that all in one go. You don't have to kind of pause in between. You could just say send an email to so-and-so, title, such and such, and then go ahead with the body of the message. So you can do it all in one go, which is quite quick. Cortana can also be used to launch applications. Let me try and demonstrate that for you as well. Open Word Mobile.
All right, starting Word Mobile.
So again, this may be particularly useful if you are in a meeting setting where you don't have access to a full mouse and keyboard. If this is maybe hooked up to a display and you just have the touch screen at your fingertips there, could be a little bit faster. One of the other main reasons to use Cortana is the reminders feature. So that can be done using your voice right here. You could do something like, "Remind me to call my mom tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Sure thing. Remind you to call my mom at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Go ahead and say cancel to that one. And these reminders can be contextual as well. If you do take your computer home with you from work, you could say something like, "Remind me to call my mom when I get home," something like that. Or "Remind me to email Jim when I get home." So as long as you have certain information saved into Cortana, those sort of contextual reminders will help you as well.